March 20th, 2015. This is my video on the dynamics model of an ellipse. I will just go up here and start to draw my ellipse. I'll draw on the front plane and I'll go normal 2. So we get this here, we just bring it out here, we'll bring out any tall, we'll bring it up also. We'll come down here to the bottom left hand corner and we'll just type in our radius, which is for the major is 50 and for the minor is 25. And we can see here this is actually stretched off our page, so we just go and click up here and it brings it all back. Right. Escape. So then what we do is we go and we get our line. This will be a line for construction and of infinite length. Draw it here down through the centre. Another one from here also as our two axes. So when we are in the line functions there, we'll also get our focal point. So we would learn a line here of, this will not be of infinite length, and then a line, no, delete. Let's see. We'll delete that line there and we'll just go up here. We'll do it also for construction. Bring this down here and bring it just across any length. So this line. So we have our line here, but we need this line 50 millimeters or 50 units long. We'll go up to Smart Dimension here and we'll Smart Dimension this to 50. And see, if we zoom in here real close, we can probably see that that point will be off. So we just go and they actually must be touching. What we do is we make this circle, we fix it first, and then going to go this line here, control turn that line. I don't know what I'm at here. So we were lucky enough to have this point matching up with this point. So we'll just go and we'll mirror this image. We don't need this Smart Dimension there. We'll go and we'll get this and we'll just mirror entities. So we'll mirror line 4, this line 4 here, and we'll mirror it about this line here. Press enter and there you have focal point 2 and focal point 1. So what you find then next is you'll go to your line function, get your line, and you just go and draw it under this line. This line here, you'd want to make it tangential to this point. So what you do there is you get this line, press Control, and you also get this line, Down here, where it says tangential, bring it to that. So there you have this line here, tangential around the curve. So what you do then is you'll make this an infilling line. This is not a construction line, this is a tangent. And then you have it. Let's just get a better grip of this. You have the line going around. So then what you do next is you just get your line function again. Then you draw a line here and you make it congruent to this. So this point here, this little ellipse, and no, I've done that wrong. God bless. So then you know, let me see now. I'll just delete this line out of the way for a second. Let the line function. Click on the line that we've just highlighted there, orange. We'll draw it back to our focal point 2. We do not need that there. We'll at this point and start the ellipse and you make it condensate, and there we have it. We have our tangent rotating round with our lines here. We look at here and we'll find that if we smart match these, you'll notice this is 75.30, right? And let me see. Yeah. And this here. No, we don't need that. Cancel. Delete that, and then there's one here. And this is 24.70. So we see that they add up to 100. No. Undo. They add up to 100 units. So we find that this is the major diameter, which would be also the focal points around the circle. So then what we do is we'll get a line here and then make it for construction. We'll draw the line up there at all, like that. Stay. Then we draw the lines here and then make these we'll make these collinear. So then we find that this line is equal to this. Then we'll also get this. Wait a second now. We'll get this line here and this line here, and we'll make these equal. This will make them equal in length. So when we find now, when we move the tangent, this line here will stay the same length as this line here. So what we do there is, excuse me, we'll draw a line back here on that will be construction line. No, that line there, obviously. Right. Now, this is for construction. Let me find that we can move this around here. And it'll all stay with each other. Now, we'll just draw another line flat down here as a normal. So wait a second, actually. I've just actually created a line that I don't want there. So I'll press undo and get rid of it. We'll go and make a line there and we'll just draw down as normal. And then this normal will be of infinite length. Oh, wait a second. This normal here will be of infinite length. It'll be a construction. No, it won't be a construction. Then we'll go and we'll get this line here and this line here, and make these perpendicular to each other, as we know the normal is perpendicular to the tangent. So now we have it. Here's our ellipse drawn. Thank you for watching my video.